Might be this just scale CTM. Another thing we could do is oversample this. So what I mean is, not oversample. Is that what you call it? Let's just try using a large number. For example, 30, multiply both by 3, because the thumb is so important. And the slider should scale things. I might have to tell it the scale though. Yeah, because this is kind of ridiculous. It's great because you can see what we're doing wrong. This is obviously a line. Obviously this is a line. Alright, so we're not there yet. But anyway, let's leave that there for now. It is funny. Sometimes there are funny things you need to laugh at. Alright, so what was I doing? I was drawing the thumb. And this second one is giving me a real hard time. Oh, because you can't do from pi to pi. Let's look at what we want again. We want from here, which is pi, to here, which is pi over 2. So let's do that. Pi 2, pi over 2. Alright. Alright, so there we go. This hugely scaled thing actually looks okay. It's got some bleeding happening at the point. It's very pixelated. So I want to scale it down by a factor of 3 if possible. How do you do that? How do you do that with the image? Let's try again, UI image, retina scale. Keep the frame size. Alright, other thing we could do is UI image, UISlider, retina. Yeah. Okay, this is Retina scale, and you can still see the pixels. That's because this is a Mac, though, on a large screen. On the real iPhone, which is, at least for me, the simulator is about twice as large as the phone. Yeah, it is exactly twice as. No, it's about 180% the original. Using image for text in Retina and non-Retina screen. Fortunately, that might just be what you get. I would like to just take that and scale it down using anti-aliasing. Don't know if that's going to be possible though. Let's scale it down now and just see what we get. Let's do the fill. It's now 11, so by the time this video ends, which is in 7 minutes, I will end the video, end the stream. So let's do what we can until then. First, I want to make this the reasonable size, and that's actually 10 and 40. Yep. Then I want to go to the arcs. Yeah. And I want to draw the fill path method. See what that does. Yeah. It's okay. This is a lot closer to what I imagined. The transparency actually works pretty good to show that middle value. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually not bad. I kind of like this. I could use some, the color could use some work. We have to fix the digits. Yeah, let's see how it looks at 0. Okay, let's test it with the bandwidth, because those, yeah, phaser, as you can see, this goes up to 2000. That does the correct thing. The decimals don't work out when there's 3 digits, 4 digits, 3 digits. So let's give it the same treatment. Yeah. We use precision, and the way we do the precision is like this. Do a %*F, and just put the precision there. Yeah. This is a lot easier for me to see, and doesn't have these truncated issues like it does here. Obviously, no, that's not truncated, that's 2000. It's not 20,000. Where's 20,000? Here we go. 20,000 just barely fits. Yeah, 5 digits is a little hard, especially with the beveling we have. Um, I really like this Helvetica style. I wonder if I should just do that and leave it. Just center it. It is a little noisy, but I think if you raise it out a little bit, like right here, and you fade it out over time, that could be pretty cool. Yeah, right now when the slider overlaps with it, it looks pretty stupid. On the other hand, having the I'm thinking to put it like right above it, right here, and right here. It's nicer to look at because your thumb will be on this. Yeah, that's a good thing to think about. Your thumb will be directly on this whenever you're moving it, so you're not going to be able to see the value. But if you look down here, you'll see the value. It's large enough. So I think I'm going to push this out of the thumb's way, right over here. I don't know if I can do that within this view. Yeah, I might have to draw that separately. We'll see. Anyway, I'm going to commit this. This is a good point to stop. Git commit -am fix make slider effect slider thumb. Cool. Nice. Alright, so what did we get to? Today we started at 10,000, we wrote 200 lines. 200 slightly problematic lines. So all in all, not bad. Yeah, I'll probably be working tomorrow on some of this stuff offline, but yeah, this has been kind of good for me, so I'll probably sometime next week be streaming again.